Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about the best streaming apps for watching Indian content. So if you're talking about Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, South Asian languages, if you're after streaming apps, we're gonna cover AltBalaji, TVF Play, Zee5, Hotstar, and also a few more. And I'll tell you how exactly you can download these apps on your television as well. So stay tuned if you are after watching Indian contents and stream them on your television. We're gonna cover each of them one by one. So we'll start with Alt Balaji. So Alt Balaji have an Android TV app. Otherwise, you can have it installed on your mobile, either on Android mobile or on iPhone. And the latest version for Android TV is version 1.6.0. Yeah. Once you have that, they have got a really good, variety of content. So you can see on your screen, these are the shows that are available at the moment, and they are available in India and outside India as well. If you're outside India, it's gonna cost you around £2.5 in UK per month, and if you go for a month yearly subscription, that's gonna cost you around £16. That's not massive. And looking at the variety of shows, if you're after soaps, daily shows, dramas, then this is something that you can really have, subscribe for. It's not free. Some of the shows might be free. I'll give you an example. If we come down and see some of the shows, they normally what they do is they set the first episode as free, whereas the others will be chargeable. Yeah, so I'm trying to find a show which will have their first episode free, whereas others will be chargeable. They also have a good collection of movies. Now, I should take my words back. It's not a very good collection of movies, but it's a movies normally that all the Balaji group would have produced. Yeah, so these are the original shows on your screen. Yeah, and they keep on adding these. Some shows on a regular basis. I think every other week there would be something added. Yeah, and some of them are real, for adults as well, so just be careful about that. So as I said, if you download the app, some of the episodes are free, whereas others would be chargeable. Yeah, fine. Okay, so this is the Alt Biology app, and if you have any questions, put in your comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you. I'm not a very big fan of this particular app, but in terms of interface, in terms of watching, in terms of the categorization for comedy, serials, and movies, you can see it on your screen. What all you can expect to get: stand-up comedy shows, yeah, and others as well. You can see on your screen. They don't have too many popular shows, but that's just one of the options. Yeah, so this is all Balaji for you. I'll quickly show you movies that you can expect here. Mostly the movies that are produced by the Balaji telefilms. Yeah, okay, let's come back. For subscription, this is the charge. They'll charge you $13 for 12 months. At the moment there is a discount going on, or you can get it for $4.99 for 3 months. Fine. uh, you can set your programs as favorites, and then this is here you can set your languages and others. This is how the interface would look like. Let me come out of it and let me show you the next app, which is one of my favorites, which is the TVF Play app. They've recently launched an Android television app, and this content is for contemporary youth content, which a lot of youth young people will really like it. So they keep on adding small shows or small web series from time to time. And if let me quickly go to the original. So they've got Flames, the season 2 has come out. Good Luck, this is an award winning show from TVF. Aadmi Family, Humorously Yours, Kota Factory, and others as well. Yeah, Tripling and Yemiri Family. Uh, they had their shows on YouTube earlier, but now they put it into TVF Play app, you have to download this app and subscribe to them. Some of the shows are free, whereas most of the shows now are all paid, so you need to pay for subscription. They run promotions from time to time. So if you're outside India, it is going to cost you around £12 for 12 months, so that's not huge. But but if you haven't seen their programs before, they're really good quality. Their humor is at a different level. I personally like their shows a lot. Yeah. Okay. Right. So let me quickly show you the original shows. Gullak, Aam Aadmi Family. This is how the interface would look like. I can't play any programs because of it will cause copyright issues. But TVF Pictures is one of their popular shows, and these are the other ones. Permanent Roommates is one of them as well. Yeah. Okay, so this is TVF Play for you. When they talk about channels, they have shows from TVF Cutie Appa, Screen Patti, Curly Appa, The Timeliners. Uh, some of them are available on YouTube for free, but most of them are no longer on YouTube. They've taken it down from YouTube and put it into their app. Yeah. Fine, so this is it, and I've taken subscription, so can't show you how much it's gonna cost, but it's costed me £13 for an entire year. Not huge, I would say. The other one that I would want to show you, I mean, I'm not talking about Amazon Prime Video here because it's quite basic. You all know about it. I'm not talking about Netflix. You can have this Netflix app added to your television. It mostly comes inbuilt. You don't have need to download it separately. I'll talk about Zee5. So if you have an Android television, you can go to Google Play. Google Play enables you to download thousands and thousands of apps which are compatible for your television, because this is being downloaded on TV. And I'll show you the next one. The next app for Indian content would be Zee5. So you just go there, uh, yeah, select that, install. So it's 11 megabyte, which is not huge. Should take a couple of seconds to install. And it says for in-app purchases, so you will have to buy or subscribe to Zee5 to be able to view the content completely. So it's I mean common everywhere. Yeah, so it's installing at the moment, taking a bit longer than what I would expect. But Zee5 has all the content from Z Family, Z TV, Z Cinema, uh, Z Music. I'm not sure about Z News, but we'll find out. So the Z Family channels, all their shows would be available on Z5. They would need a subscription. Okay, agree. I'm not reading it as usual. So update your language. I'll do it later. So let me quickly check what languages do they talk about. So these are the languages. Okay, so this is the language in which the content will be displayed for captions or for apps. So I'll leave it as English. This is the display language. Okay. Content language, I would want to see English, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu. So I'll leave it like that only. This is by default. Okay. Uh, Existing user, I'll say, let's see how much it's gonna cost. So let's talk about what plans are available in your UK. Okay, I'll have to enter my mobile number and then they'll watch me go. Okay, I'll skip the step here. Let's see the content first. Okay, we'll go into Hindi for now. Okay. Okay, so you can see these are the shows. Karanji Kaur, Talking Tough, we come down, Shubh Mangal Savdhan, some of the movies that are available. I think they've always would have come on Z Cinema first. and whatever has come on Z Cinema will be here. Yeah. Okay, then a few more serials, Shri Krishna and others. Yeah. Okay, these are the original series from them, from Kafir, Fitrat, few more you can see here. Yeah, I'll just quickly browse through and you can have a look yourself if any of your favorite series are in the list. Yeah, free shows, there are a couple of free shows as well if you want to. These are mostly ZTV shows which are here for free. You can watch at your own convenience whenever you want. Yeah. Okay, Z Horror Show is also here. Then there are a few movies. These will require subscription before you can watch them, because it says premium here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And reality shows, Saregama, I Can Do It, India's Best, Bad Company, few more movies. These are bit recent movies, Judgmental Hai Kya, Jabariya Jodi and others. Then trending romantic scenes, fresh arrivals in Hindi, few more. So this is how the Zee5 app would look like. I'll just quickly come out of it. I've just shown you the Hindi content. You've got Bengali and other as well, Tamil, Telugu stuff as well. The last one that I wanted to show you was, I'll quickly show you Hotstar, which is from the Star network. I'll just quickly come out of it. Okay, let me quickly screen mirror, or I'll just quickly show you on my mobile. So Hotstar does not have an Android TV app, so what I'll do here is I'll quickly show you on my mobile. So this is how the interface would look like. They've got movies. It's really good for cricket, because Star Sports have got rights for IPL and most of the series that India plays into. They're showing India versus Bangladesh at the moment, so there's no live match at the moment, but otherwise they will show live content. Then there are news, NDTV and Republic here as well. You can watch it you can watch it live. Then most of the channels from Star Family, Star Plus, Star Bharat and others would be here. They will have all their serials recorded. You can watch at your own convenience. So let me go here. So these are the TV channels or TV series or shows that are here. Yeah, you can play one of them and then cast it on your television. It is one of the most expensive app subscription outside India. Costs you £60. These are the latest movies: Super 30, De Pyar De, India's Most Wanted, Jungli and others, Mission Bangal and others. They would have normally come on Star Plus already, and that's why they are here on the app. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali, it's all here. Then when it comes to sports, cricket, kabaddi, they're all recorded here. Most of the tournaments, they will be recorded here. You can play at your own convenience, and it's the best option to watch sports outside India. Like in UK, it's very expensive if you watch on Sky Sports or BT Sports. uh, Watching IPL on Hotstar is probably the easiest way you can do it. Yeah. Okay, I think I've covered most of the apps that I wanted to. If you want to know about any particular app, let me know. Put in your comment section, like my video, subscribe to my channel. I've done quite a lot of review videos on most of the apps that you see on my screen. Subscribe so that you never miss a latest video, and I'll keep you posted. Thank you. Bye bye.